Okay, we'll talk about tyre tread depth, and we'll use this tyre as an example, and we'll compare it with the tyre I prepared earlier. Thank you. Just look at this tyre. Look how smooth and worn that tyre is. Totally illegal and totally unsuitable for use on the road. So let's look at this tyre. This is a legal tyre. You can see that the tread depth exceeds 1 millimetre, the minimum requirement. You can see the centre rain channel here, and you can see the side treads. The job of the centre rain channel is to dispel water between the tyre and the road to prevent an aquaplane and subsequent loss of control. The water goes into the rain channel, squirts out the side, effectively dries the road as you ride along. On a police motorcycle, to give you some kind of comparison, the tyres are removed when they wear down to 2 millimetres, unless that bike is being used for instructional purposes, and the tyres will be removed when they wear down to 3 millimetres.